Hi, Alison from Gardening by Design here, with a quick video tip on pruning Buddleja in early spring. Buddleja davidii, the butterfly bush, can be a great addition to any garden for late summer colour, and of course, as the name suggests, it's great for insects. But I do often see them sadly neglected, huge, tangled and rather overgrown, which is a shame, because if you know how to prune, you can keep them as a neat sized, not out of control shrub, giving joy for year after year. By the way, I always recommend that people buy a named variety, one of the brighter colours, not the pale mauve species Buddleja davidii, which can get very invasive. It seeds around, that's what you see along railway lines, and is becoming quite a problem out in the countryside. But this bright purple or the white one, there are some very good named varieties where you don't have that problem. So what we're talking about here is stabilisation pruning. This is an annual prune that allows the shrub to grow and flower each year but remain a stable size, so it doesn't simply get bigger and bigger and bigger as the years go by. There's quite a lot of information on this slide. Do come back to me if you want more explanation, but basically Buddleja falls into the box where it flowers in summer, late summer in this case. So it grows during the summer, flowers in late summer, and so you prune it back in spring, immediately before the season's growth. And that's the key to stabilisation pruning. This is my white flowered Buddleja after spring pruning. You can see that I have not cut it right down to the ground as is common with many plants, and that is simply because I literally want to give this one a leg up. It's growing at the back of a border, and the hedge behind is at least 2.5 metres high, and I want flowers, you can see the remains of the flowers here in the autumn, I want them high up above so I can see it above that black elder, and if I cut it too low down I'd get a couple of metres of growth off the shrub, but I really wouldn't get the benefit of the flowers where I want to see them. If you look at the shrub before I pruned it, you can see that there are thin twiggy growths from last year cluttering up the centre. And you can see that I've thinned these out, as well as reducing the height of the main stems. This limits the number of new shoots that will grow up through the centre this year and keeps a strong open framework. As with all shrub pruning, cut just above a pair of buds to avoid leaving short snags sticking up. There's more information about how the box of tricks can help you to plan, plant and look after your plot on my Gardening by Design website, where you can also buy topics and sign up for the newsletter. I hope to see you again soon. Happy gardening!